Hello. I just wanted to come and do a little complete flip of my tiny collage stamp collage book, whatever we want to call it. It's just a little tiny book. This is a 3x3 inch book, and I will put a link to how it's built down in the description box below, and if I can remember, I'll put one up there too. But this is just a flip. I used some Tim Holtz words, which I thought was fun. I did, after I finished up the book, go back and I just punched a hole, and just by putting the ribbon through, put some ribbons on it to tie it closed, because once you put all the collages in, it wants to do that, which is okay, but let me see. We got it? Okay. There's the first one. And these stamps were a Happy Mail gift to me, and so I wanted to use them. I thought it was a fun way to use them up. I mean, I would have used them in other collages too, but this one was just a fun way to do it. I also chose to use some book paper and some little butterflies. The stamps were a complete mixture from different countries, and they had different colors, they had different themes. I used all the same color butterfly. I didn't want the butterfly to overpower the stamps, but I needed another little sort of element in there. One of the other things I did was I used, oops, yeah, that's right, that's the next page. I used a mixture of the words on a black background and on a white background. So every other pair of pages has a different, one's white, the next one's red, or black. Red, boy, I don't think there's any red in this book. But I just really like how it came out. I'm very pleased with myself. Pat myself on the back, haha. I thought it came out real cute. And that's just a little flip of this little book that I wanted to show you. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let's open it to something that looks pretty. There we go. Is that gonna stay? There. I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book and find out what my next project will be. If we lived forever, we might well not have the urge to create, but we don't, and the urge will never go away. So make a start today. Oh, I like that one. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.